Tallinn Old Town, located in the capital city of Estonia, is one of the best preserved medieval cities in Europe. A beautifully preserved medieval city center that transports visitors back in time with its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and enchanting atmosphere. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is renowned for its architectural beauty and historical significance and vibrant culture. Here are some highlights and key attractions in Tallinn Old Town. 1. Viru Gate, one of the main entrances to the Old Town, marked by two picturesque towers. It serves as a popular starting point for exploring the medieval heart of the city. Viru Gate was originally part of the defense system of Tallinn, built in the 14th century. It was part of a larger fortification system that protected the city from invaders. The gate consists of two round stone towers that once formed part of a larger gate complex. While much of the original fortifications no longer exist, the remaining towers provide a striking historical marker. Walking through Viru Gate leads you onto Viru Street, a bustling pedestrian thoroughfare lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. This street is one of the main arteries of the Old Town and is always vibrant with activity.
I get this one. Sure. Ano?
Two. Tallinn Town Hall, the oldest surviving town hall in the Baltic and Scandinavian regions. Visitors can explore its historic interiors and climb the tower for panoramic views of the city. Town Hall Square, Rikoja Platz, the central square of the Old Town, surrounded by colorful merchant houses, cafes, and restaurants. It is a hub for festival and market, including the famous Christmas market, the Gothic Town Hall, built in the 13th century, and the Town Hall Pharmacy, one of the oldest continuously running pharmacies in Europe, is located here.
Wow. Look at that.
4. The walls and towers. Tallinn's Old Town is encircled by well-preserved medieval walls and defensive towers. Visitors can walk along sections of the wall and explore towers like Fat Margaret and Keeken de Coke, which house museums. Town Wall Walkway, a section of the medieval town walls that visitors can walk along. It provides a unique perspective of the city and a sense of its historical fortifications. 6. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, an imposing Russian Orthodox cathedral built in the late 19th century. It stands out with its onion domes and richly decorated interiors. Located on Toompea Hill, it is a significant religious site. 7. Toompea Castle. Originally a medieval fortress, it now houses the Estonian parliament. The castle offers a fascinating glimpse into Estonia's political history and provides stunning views of the city from its vantage points. 8. St. Mary's Cathedral Dome Church. The oldest church in Tallinn, dating back to the 13th century. It features a mix of architectural styles and is known for its beautiful interior and the tombs of prominent Estonian figures. 9. St. Olaf's Church. Once the tallest building in the world, this medieval church's spire offers one of the best views of Tallinn. The church itself is a fine example of Gothic architecture. 10. St. Catherine's Passage. A picturesque alleyway lined with artisan workshops and craft stores, maintaining a medieval atmosphere. It is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and the remains of St. Catherine's Monastery. 11. St. Nicholas Church, Nicholas Kirk, is a significant historical and cultural landmark in Tallinn. Originally established in the 13th century, it has served various purposes over the centuries, reflecting the rich and complex history of Tallinn. Master's Courtyard, Meistrighthove. A hidden gem in the Old Town, this courtyard is home to artisan workshops, galleries, and quaint cafes. It's a great place to find unique souvenirs and enjoy the artistic ambience. Cultural and historical significance. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Old Town was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997, recognized for its outstanding example of a well-preserved medieval Northern European trading city. Medieval charm. The narrow, winding streets, historic merchant houses, and ancient churches create an enchanting medieval atmosphere that draws visitors from around the world. Visiting tips. Walking tours. Join a guided walking tour to learn about the rich history and hidden stories of the Old Town. Cafes and restaurants. Enjoy local Estonian cuisine at one of the many traditional eateries. Dress comfortably. Wear comfortable shoes, as the cobblestone streets can be uneven. Souvenirs. Shop for authentic Estonian handicrafts, such as woolen goods and amber jewelry, in the Old Town's markets and shops. Photography. The Old Town is incredibly photogenic, so bring a camera to capture its beauty. Tallinn Old Town is a captivating destination that offers a perfect blend of historical intrigue and vibrant modern life. Whether you're exploring its ancient buildings, enjoying local cuisine in a historic setting, or simply soaking in the medieval ambience, Tallinn Old Town is sure to leave a lasting impression.